So here we are in Lehigh Acres, Florida, talking to Dennis Ulrich from H&R Cabinets Incorporated. Good to see you, Dennis. How are you today?
Just fine.
Great. So I understand that you've used Cabinet Vision for quite a few years. When did you first start incorporating it in your business?
In the late 80s, we purchased the program. Originally, we used it on a DOS program.
Wow. DOS computer. Do you consider yourself a computer operator or do you consider yourself a cabinet maker?
I'm definitely a cabinet maker. Computers are something you turn on and hopefully they work.
So let's see. That's about almost 30 years worth of training on computers, and you still feel that it's not necessary to be a computer geek to use Cabinet Vision?
No, not at all, because I just go, if I want to work on Cabinet Vision, I turn on the Cabinet Vision program. I don't worry about anything else on the computer. Do what I need to do and print out the reports.
I understand from when we spoke earlier that the level of quality of your product has improved tremendously.
Yes.
Is that a result of how Cabinet Vision has helped you in your business?
Yes. Yes. Without the Cabinet Vision program, we would be spending a lot of time trying to determine these tolerances by ourselves on pencil and paper. Now we just simply put in the size of the cabinet. We have the program set up. It prints out the door sizes, the drawer sizes, and it's produced.
What type of products do you actually produce in your factory?
We do custom wood. We do kitchens. We do wall units. Do a lot of home offices. I would say that most of our work is higher end products and something that we enjoy.
Do you manufacture any commercial work now?
Yes, we do, on occasion. We have a couple contractors that supply us with commercial work. We've done some things for a jeweler, done some things for a dentist, where we did their complete office. And we've done a couple hotel chains.
So everything that you produced from your increasing your quality level of the product was a direct result of running everything out to the factory through the Cabinet Vision program?
Correct.
Do you use any CNC machines at all?
No.
So how does Cabinet Vision present the information to the guys in the shop floor?
I print out reports directly from Cabinet Vision. The pieces of paper go directly to the saws. Jeff, my brother, takes the sheet, starts at the top, and cuts the parts piece by piece.
Great. Can we take a look at some of those reports?
Sure.
Okay, Dennis, I see that you pulled some documents out from a job file that you're working on. Can you explain what these pages actually represent?
Yes, this is a small buffet that we're doing in a house. This is the elevation that shows each cabinet, the height, width, and depth.
Is this what you give your customer?
Yes, I do.
I notice, I'm zooming in here to show, that's a really beautiful title block. Is that your company logo?
Yes, it is.
How did you get that in there?
Just simply downloaded it off of a picture that I took from our digital camera.
Awesome.
Put
That's
it into
great.
Cabinet Vision.
Okay, let's take a look at the next page. So what is that?
This is a floor plan of the same buffet.
It's the same unit. I noticed there's numbers on every item. Is there a reason for that?
Yes, each number refers to a cabinet, and then when the parts are printed out, the part list will tell the number, the corresponding number for the cabinet.
So the guys on the shop floor always know where every part belongs after they process it?
Yes, they do.
Okay. What's on the next document?
This is 3/4 inch pre-finished maple plywood. This is a parts list for all of the parts needed for that buffet.
I see. And there's the numbers on the right.
Yes.
The column of numbers.
Mhm.
Okay. And the next page? Panel stock list of
Yep.
quarter-inch pre-finished ply, again with the
That's-
numbers.
Yep, and
The
that's for the
exact
back.
sizes. Okay. And then what do we have next? Some veneer. Wow.
Yes, the
Awesome.
veneers, the finished ends. There were 2 finished ends that need to be veneered.
Yeah. So you really make furniture-grade products, I can tell already, just from the materials you're working with.
Thank you.
What do we have next?
This is the drawer list, the size, the depth.
Now, I noticed the
height.
parts for the drawer box aren't there. Is that because you send this to your supplier and have them make the drawer for you?
Yes,
I
yes,
see.
we source out all of our drawers.
Excellent. Okay.
This
And
is also
roll-outs.
for roll-out trays.
Okay, same kind of thing.
Mhm.
Awesome.
And this is a material summary of all of the parts that we're going to use to build this buffet. Includes the hinges, the drawer slides, everything. It gives me an amount of material to order, so when I get ready to order everything, I just go down the list and it's complete.
Have you ever considered changing your technology from what you started out with 30 years ago?
No, never considered it, and never will,
How come?
because it does everything I need it to do.
Is there any other component or benefit that you've had from using Cabinet Vision that has helped your business go through the roller coaster ride that we've had in the Florida economy?
Yes, it's a product that will allow me to show a customer what the finished product will look like. We can use the same textures, same colors, and it's something that makes the customer feel like their product is being produced just for them.
That's awesome. So if you had to do it all over again, you wouldn't change your mind, would you?
Never.
Okay. Well, thanks very much. I appreciate the time that you've spent with us today.
Thank you.